Installation. Step 1. Adjustment of the angle of screen. Adjust the screen with the tools for the suitable visual angle. Step 2. Installation of the laser guiding joint arm. 1. Take out the laser guiding joint arm from the case. 2. Loosen the screw firstly, and tighten it after the laser guiding joint arm installed. Installation of the balance weight. Install the balance weight with the laser guiding joint arm. Connection of air blow tube. Connect the connectors on the rear of the machine and the treatment head with air blow tube. Connection of the data cable. Connect the data cable with the socket on the rear of machine. 6. Installation the treatment head. Connect the treatment head with the laser guiding joint arm. The treatment head can be put on the holder. Step 3. Installation of the foot switch. Keep the small gap upward and insert the connector, then push it inward mildly and screw it tightly. Step 4. Connection of the power line. Plug the power line. Debugging. Turn the key in the clockwise direction to launch the machine. If the machine failed to launch, please rotate the emergency switch in a clockwise direction and keep it in bounce status. Keep warming up the machine 3 to 5 minutes. Introduction of different modes. Instruction of fractional mode. Click fractional to enter the operation screen of fractional. 1. Click power to set the output energy. Click up or down to adjust it from 1 to 100. 2. Click duration to set the time of laser beam stay on the skin. Click up or down to adjust it from 0.1 millisecond - 10 milliseconds. 3. Click repeat to set the interval between two laser pulse. Click up or down to adjust it from 1 millisecond - 5000 milliseconds. 4. Click overlap to set the continual repetitive times of laser beam shoot on the skin. Click up or down to adjust it from 1/20th. 5. Click distance to set the distance between ducts that shoot by laser beam. Click up or down to adjust it from 0.1 mm - 2.6 mm. 6. Click shape to set the shapes of laser shoot. Click up or down to select the shapes. There are 7 different shapes of the laser shoot: line, square, rectangle, triangle, hexagon, rotundity and ellipse. 7. Click diagonal on the right of screen to control the size of shape. Click up or down to adjust the size of the shape from 0.1 mm - 20 mm. 8. Click scanning to set the mode of the laser shoots. Click up or down to adjust it. There are 3 modes: rule shoot, line by line shoot and cater corner shoot. 9. Click Save to save the setting parameters. For example, select the 1 button and click Save. Then the current data is stored in designated 1 file. Later automatically input the stored output data when touching 1 file. 10. After completing every step, the ready will turn red after clicked standby. Then the laser beam is to be shoot when tread the foot switch. 11. Click Preview, then the treatment head will preview the shape and shape size you set. 12. Click back to return the screen of mode selection after finish the treatment. Instruction of normal mode. The CO2 treatment head should be installed before treatment. Click normal to enter the operation screen of normal. 1. Click power to set the output energy. Click up or down to adjust it from 1 to 100. 2. Click mode to set the mode of shooting. Click up or down to adjust it. There are 3 modes of shooting: continuous, single and pulse. 3. Click duration to set the time of laser beam stay on the skin. Click up or down to adjust it from 0.1 millisecond - 10 milliseconds. 4. Click on time, and then click up or down to adjust the working time. 5. Click off time, and then click up or down to adjust the interval time. Range of adjustment, continuous. On, off time, no adjustment. Single. For ON time, 10 milliseconds 1000 milliseconds pulse. For ON, off time, 10 milliseconds 1000 milliseconds off time, 10 milliseconds 1000 milliseconds. 6. After completing every step, the ready will turn red after clicked standby. Then the laser beam is to be shoot when tread the foot switch. Click back to return the screen of mode selection after finish the treatment. Procedure of treating. Wrinkle removal. Step 1. Preparation before treatment. 1. Prepare the disinfectant cotton, warm water, fresh keeping film, superficial anesthesia and facial cleanser in advance. 2. Wear the surgical masks. 3. Wear the sterilized gloves. Step 2. Clean the skin thoroughly. And then disinfect this part with the disinfectant cottons. Step 3. Smear the superficial anesthesia. For example, compound lidocaine cream on the treatment part. Then cover the skin with a fresh keeping film about 30 to 60 minutes. Step 4. Remove the fresh keeping film and clean the skin again. Step 5. Wear the eye shade for the patient. Adjust the equipment energy. 1. Click power to set the energy, recommended at 25 generally. 2. Click duration to set the working time of laser beam on skin, recommended at 1 millisecond generally. 3. Click repeat to set the interval between 2 laser pulses, recommended at 1 millisecond generally. 5. Click distance to set the distance between dots that shoot by laser beam, recommended at 1 mm generally. 6. Click sharp to select the shapes as the shape of treatment part, such as square. 7. Click scanning to set the mode of the laser shoots, such as mode 1 line by line shoot. 8. Click ready to keep the machine into the state of preparation. Step 6. It is very important to test the machine before the operation. Try to shoot a thick book firstly after all parameters set to make sure the appropriate energy. Step 7. After the appropriate energy confirmed, aiming the treatment part with a treatment head when its preview status opened. Then press the foot switch to treat. Step 8. Smear the epidermal growth factor on the skin after the operation and then covering the skin with repair facial mask about 15 minutes. Clean the skin again with the disinfectant cotton. The treatment was finished after this. Skincare after treatment. 1. After the treatment, about 2 hours, the treatment part always gets hot feeling or swelling. The operator should supply the relevant solutions. The cold compress is helpful to lighten the hot feeling as well. Do not use the efficacy cosmetic products or facial mask, but the epidermal growth factor is suggested. 2. Pay more attention to avoid the sunburn, and sun protection is important and necessary. 3. Do not scratch the skin to remove the punctate scab on the skin, which will fade off naturally after 5 to 7 days. But some blocking cream is allowed. 4. The direct or indirect hot stimulation on the treatment part should be avoided in 3 days, and any chemical or mechanical stimulation in 7 days on the treatment part are not good for skin recovery. 5. Sauna and strenuous exercises are not suggested before the scabs fade off. 6. Do not use the filling or other injection therapy in 14 days. Do not eat spicy, stimulant, rich pigment and light-sensitive food in 14 days. 7. If feeling unwell after treatment, please seek advice from the operator. Do not settle it by yourself.